Hey there, dentist. Are you tired of dealing with unpredictable schedules and those empty slots? Well, today I'm going to show you how to build a patient flow system that keeps your schedule packed all year round. So yeah, let's dive in. So welcome to this video on creating patient flow system that will revolutionize the way your dental clinic operates. So first, let's talk about why you need a solid patient flow system. An efficient flow means like less stress for your staff, improved patient satisfaction, and ultimately higher profitability. But here's the secret: it's not about attracting new patients; it's about retaining the ones you already have. So every effective patient flow system has three core components. First is patient acquisition, and second is patient retention, and third is scheduling optimization. So we'll break each of these down step by step. Now, step one is patient acquisition. So how do you bring in patients consistently? So here are some proven strategies: leveraging online marketing, Google Ads, SEO, and social media ads, optimizing your website with clear call to actions, having before after images, patient testimonial videos, and proper scheduling options within your website. Now, offer promotions for new patients like new patient special, and encourage patient referrals with simple reward program. Because remember, first impression matter. Ensuring your website and social profiles showcase your quality and care you provide. Because always make sure you post at least 2 to 3 videos a week, at least on Instagram, TikTok, showcasing your work. You can post videos that are entertaining and educational and short. I've covered what to do on social media and other videos. You can check it out. Now, acquiring patience is only half the battle, because retaining them is where the magic is. Because here's how to keep them coming back. You can set up, like you can set up automated reminders for checkups. You can send voicemails after they visit the appointment and they go home. After a day, you can send a voicemail or even call them up. To check in how they're doing. Then personalized communication, like give them birthday offers, anniversary offers, etc. Offer flexible payment options and financing plans. Deliver very good customer service every single time, because retention is about building relationships. So when your patients feel valued, they'll stick around and even recommend you to their friends and family. And now let's tackle another big one, which is scheduling optimization. So how do you ensure your calendar stays full without overloading your team? Use scheduling softwares for this to minimize the gaps. Block off time for high revenue procedures during peak hours. Set up wait list to fill last minute cancellations. Train your staff to upsell additional services effectively. Always train your hygienists to upsell the treatments and incentivize them for it. Efficient scheduling, is the glue that holds your patient flow system together. Now, no system is perfect from the start. So always measure your results and make a data-driven adjustments. Because at the end of the day, like you need to track your key metrics like no show rates, new patient growth, like how many new patients were acquired, and a retention rate. Collect feedback from patients about the experience, and regular review and adjustment your marketing strategies too. So yeah, your host should evolve, like your system should evolve as your clinic grows. And so that's a big picture. Don't ignore follow-ups, don't neglect patient feedback, especially on Google reviews and Yelp. You can see what are the negative reviews they're talking about. So that's a big picture. And to quickly recap, to build a patient flow system, focus on consistent patient acquisition, retention through relationship building. I've covered on each specific of this topic. I've covered intense videos on this channel. You can check it out. And optimize scheduling to reduce gaps, and measure and refine your success. So now it's time to take action. So start building your patient flow system today and watch your schedule fill up, like never before. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this with other dental professionals. And when you work with us, we guarantee at least 25 prepaid appointments in the first 30 days. So we generate leads for you through online ads and convert them into appointments and book it into your software on your behalf. And if you're interested to know more about that, click the link below in the descriptions and we can have a short strategy session with us. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.